Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-5 GT, stock reference number 4809. The shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.2 litre SH 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror has light scratches on the outer cover. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, power lift gate, tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right power door mirror, non-camera type. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.